How to add and set up a VPN configuration in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on general. After clicking on general, then scroll down and here you can see the option VPN and device management. Now click on it and then click on VPN, and here you can add your VPN configuration. Now click on add VPN configuration. Now here add these data. Now here enter your descriptions, server, remote ID, and then add a local ID. After that, here you can see username. Now enter your username and then enter your password. And here you can see the proxy settings: off, manual and auto. After that, click on done. So this is the way to add and set up a VPN configuration in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.